Our bodies are like advanced biological machines, constantly working to keep us healthy and functioning. Just like a car needs the right type of fuel and regular maintenance to run properly, our bodies require the right nutrients and detoxification processes to keep us functioning at optimal levels too. This is where the 3 Ds of health, detox, digestion, and diet come into play. The first D, detoxification, is like the filter system in a car. If a car's filters are dirty or clogged, the engine won't run properly. Similarly, if our bodies are overloaded with toxins and not properly eliminating them, our organs and systems won't function properly either. Toxins can come from a variety of sources, including pollution, processed foods, and even stress. Detoxification helps to remove these harmful substances from our bodies, allowing our organs to work more efficiently and reducing the risk of disease. The second D, digestion, is like the engine in a car. Just like a car's engine needs fuel to run, our bodies need healthy food to function. But just like putting the wrong fuel in a car can cause it to break down, eating the wrong types of food can break down our digestive system and overall health. Our digestive system plays a crucial role in the proper absorption and utilization of nutrients from our food, and our digestive system is responsible for 70% of our immune system. If our digestive system is not functioning properly, we may not be getting the full benefit from the foods that we eat. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies and a weakened immune system, leaving us more susceptible to disease. The third D, diet, is like the quality of fuel that we put in our cars. The quality of fuel can impact the performance of a car's engine, and the same is true for our bodies. The foods we eat provide the nutrients our bodies need to function properly. If we consistently consume unhealthy foods, our bodies will not get the nutrients they need to function at optimal levels. A diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods can help to support our immune system, improve our digestion, and support the detoxification process. So just like a car needs the right fuel and regular maintenance to run properly, our bodies require the 3 Ds of health, detox, digestion, and diet to function properly. By incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can help to reduce the risk of disease, improve our energy levels, and promote overall health and well-being.